Elijah, what happened
What are the
outside?
fireworks?
Hi.
Where is the fireworks?
Huh?
What happened to fireworks?
What?
Where is it?
Father.
Where is the fireworks?
What?
Fireworks outside?
What?
Outside? Were they outside? Was there a lot of light?
What?
Was it doom? Boo.
Dodo.
Really? Doo. Was it that big?
Huh?
Was it big fireworks? Do you want to go look outside? Let's go look outside. You want to go look? Daddy will take you. Can you go look? Let's go look outside. Okay. Do you see him?
Where is fireworks?
Where's the fireworks? Is there fireworks?
Where is it?
What?
What? Where is it? Where is
Is
fireworks?
there fireworks outside?
What?
Are there fireworks outside?
What? I don't know yet.
You don't know?
You don't see it? Is it gone?
Huh?
That's just a light. That's not fireworks.
No.
Yeah, that's just a light.
Did you see fireworks?
Oh. Table మీద అక్కడ టేబుల్ పెట్టండి వస్తారు అన్నం వస్తారు
Fireworks? Was it wow fireworks? Were they big? Like, boo. Were they wow? 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 Can you say wow? Elijah, can you say wow?
Wow.
Yeah. Were they big fireworks? Do you still see them outside? Look outside. Look out the window.
Uh-oh.
What is it?
That's a car. Car went off. Okay.
It's okay. It's just fireworks.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say night-night.
Night.
Say see you later.
Say
Can you blow me a kiss? I love you.
Okay, ready for dinner.
Elijah, can you say I love you?
bye.
Bye.
See how she looks.
I love you. Can you say I love you? I love you,
Say, love you,
Mama.
Mama.
I love you.
Mama.
Bye.
Bye, Elijah. Good night.